What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Gojo laughing. So he looks pretty insane. It's cool section of the anime. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. When I start with his eyes, those big old eyelashes. So center point about here. Come up over to the right. And we start with this curved line up and down. So we're looking at his head kind of really tilted back, right? And he's looking like up to the sky. So we can see the top eyelashes first, right? So you just add all these spiky sort of eyelash lines. You know, because he's got those big purple eyelashes. Okay, and then his sort of bottom eyelid line sort of comes down around here. It's kind of like a broken line. It's not like joined together. And we've got his sort of tear duct in here somewhere. So looking up, right, so the eyeball is like back. So his iris, it's not like a perfect circle. You want to make it look sort of stretched long ways. So it goes, it's like an ellipse on its sort of side like this, right? So it's like it's like a circle that's been like pulled this way. And then the pupil as well, same sort of thing, right? It's not like a perfect circle, it's like stretched. And then the iris, he has some like iris lines, like little lines just going around in kind of like a circular fashion there. Like that. So a few details around his eyes and nose and stuff. So he's got like a nose line, but kind of like just hatching there. And then some like lines around the bottom of his eye here. And it's like he's got all blood on his face. So like scratch marks and coming down from his eye all here. Okay. Top eyelid line just above the eyelashes here. Like that. And then his purple eyebrow just above that curved line. Goes underneath his hair, but we'll draw it in. And we can erase what we don't need. Okay. So we're going to just do this over here. Mirror image, basically. Right. So you're about, the eyes are bigger it's about half an eye, or maybe 3/4 of his eye is your distance over between the tear ducts, right? Because it's not a full eye. A full eye brings you like to the middle of the other eye. So it's probably like tear duct to the outside of his iris is about the distance you want to go over, and you just do your curve line there. Okay, so like this and this are about the same, roughly, to his tear duct. So like, see, tear duct to edge of the iris, about the same as tear duct to tear duct. And then you can do the eyelashes. Right, and then the bottom eyelid line, just broken sort of line, carving down here. There's no blood on this side of his eye, but we've got like some eyelashes kind of there. And then his iris, again, sort of an elliptical iris, around like so. Pupil. And then like that. So it's all right if he looks kind of crazy because he's supposed to. And then top eyelid line, curving up and over that way. Eyebrow then curves over here. And there's like another line on this side. So then what we can see, his head is tilted back, so all you can see on his nose is his nostrils. So these big sort of V sort of shapes here, maybe with a bit of shadow on the top. Another one here. And then his big mouth, right? So it's like the width of his eyes nearly that they start, right? So like here and here, right? So underneath the corners of his eyelashes. And it's a crazy big smile. So curves like that, right? It's kind of like Joker sort of esque. This kind of thing, right? And his mouth is real wide open. So it goes down this way. And curves across here. Teeth then inside. Top teeth first. Kind of a bumpy line just coming across there. And then his tongue. The back. Like some hatching just coming down the center. And then he's got that circle for the back of his throat. It seems like some sort of texture lines just for back of the throat like that. So bottom lip. So these are his molars. Bottom lip line here, like that. A little bit of a line for the top lip there. And then his chin, a bit square. There. Bit of hatching underneath his bottom lip. Jaw then comes out. Change direction up the side of his face. And then we have hair. So blood-stained hair. So say coming down over his eyes here, right? So we'll start here. So we'll go up. There's like some texture lines. And this comes down over his ear. Lots of spikes. And then over his eye. And you just keep going all across his face towards the other ear. Remember, hair moves, doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Blows in the wind. Animators draw the hair differently sometimes. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be exactly like the way I'm doing it. Okay. Da, 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 da. And then down towards the jaw. And he covers some of his ear. So we can just see the ears in underneath here. Kind of the tops are kind of in line with the, like his nose, kind of the top here, yeah, curving down like so. Just behind the hair. And then ear lines inside that. He's got like some more blood coming down from his mouth. There. And then more hair all the way up around. Similar style, just more spiking lines. Might have like one on his head here as well. And you just go the whole way around. Right, and then maybe one there. So then shoulders and arms. So we're looking down on him. So we can just see like his shoulders going across sort of this way, kind of bumping off the page. And then collars. So a white, well, that's a neckline. We'll go neckline here, and then white collar coming in and down. Neckline here. And then white collar. It's like a shirt collar. And he's got a black uniform collar this way. And then like his shoulder meets his chest here. We can just see like his arm going that way. Like that. And I think that's everything. That is how to draw Gojo laughing. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.